In our last video, we explored how to build categorical frequency distribution based on marital stats data. Today, we will walk through step by step how to construct ungrouped frequency distribution using family size data. Stay with me. Ungrouped frequency distribution is nothing but a tabular data presentation that lists each individual data value and how often it occurs. In doing so, what the first step is having the data. We collect the raw data, right? In our context, suppose we have data on family size, right? We have 20 households. Then for each household, we collect their family size. For example, the first household has 2 family size, the second 4, the third one is 3, the fourth one is 5, and it's C. Now, this is the raw data in our context. What the objective is to make, organize, and present in a tabular form. In doing so, what the second step is identifying distinct values. What are the distinct values in our raw data set? These are nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the third step is counting how many times each family size appears in our raw data set. Right. Then the fourth step is nothing but organize into a table, meaning that creating a table showing each family size and its frequency. Then at the end of the day, we come up with this tabular data presentation for our family size data, where this table consists 5 columns, where the first one is family size, the second one frequency. This is the basic data presentation through ungrouped frequency distribution for family size data, but the rest, where relative frequency and percentage columns, are optional.